Hi everyone, so in this short demo we're going to see how we can find the network parameters on Windows. We have here a Windows system, and what we need to do is open a command line prompt. This is just to make it easier because that works everywhere. So for that, go here for the search of the command, type command, and you get this command prompt, desktop app, open it. And we now have the command line where we can enter commands to determine network parameters. The easiest one, the most important one, is the command ipconfig/all. When you do this, it's going to display your local network area configuration. So what you have here is you have the IP address. In this case, this is 10.0.2.15. We have the network mask, subnet mask. This is 255.255.255.0. We have the default gateway, 10.0.2.2, and we have also the DNS server, 10.0.2.3. These are the basic configurations. What you then typically do is you find the connection to the internet to see if you have connectivity. For that you use ping. Easiest is to use ping.google.com. When you do that, it's going to start sending packets towards Google. It sent 4 packages. We got replies, so we are connected to the internet. We can also use an IP address as argument. So for example, we can use it like this, 8.8.8.8. And it sends again 4 packets, and everything is working. We have 100 success rate in getting the packets. This is for connectivity. Something else you may want to do is to check out DNS mappings, meaning you want to see what is the IP address of a given host. So for that we use the command nslookup. So if we use nslookup google.com, it's going to display the IP address 142.251.39.46 used by google.com. For this, there's also an IPv6 address here. And for that, we use the DNS server 10.0.2.3, the one that you also saw was configured here. We can also look for another domain, so we can look, for example, for nslookup digital4security.eu. And we get a similar output. The address is 141.85.241.222. Something else you can do is you can determine local services. So you want to know what's happening locally on your side. What you want to do then is to list connections and listening services. So for that we use netstat -a for all connections, and we list them. And what you see here are all the active connections or listening ports on the system. So in here we have a bunch of services that are listening on different ports for connections. They are listening here. There are some at the beginning as well. They are basically the same. These ones are using IPv6. When you have 2 columns, this is IPv6, and the same ports are here using IPv4. And those are the commands. So in short, what we used is ipconfig/all. We used ping for connectivity. Okay, we used nslookup such as google.com to determine the IP address, and then we used netstat -a to display all listening ports and existing connection to the system. That's it.